In a notable diplomatic move, Mr. Emerson Mnangagwa's close aide, Taure Kandishaya, has traveled to Cuba to bolster support for the embattled Zimbabwean leader. This visit comes at a critical time as Mnangagwa faces growing challenges back home. Zanabina mashoka atukuona kuti aiwa Taure Kandishaya aiwa anoenda kuCuba, atukuona kuti aiwa pakuti kumashoka ari kuda muzimu ari anotumwa nemutungamiri wenyika aiwa to booster support aiwa nokuda kwemachallenges ari kusangana nawo mutungamiri wari kuita nyika. Sanapinda mashoka mudani ngopana kudobva subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Timina unonongo mchinzi. Upon his arrival in Havana, Kandishaya received a warm reception. He remarked, "A revolutionary welcome was extended to me by Comrade Mithia, Cuba's head of external affairs in the youth wing, accompanied by none other than His Excellency Ambassador P. Chikawa, our Zimbabwe representative to Cuba. This greeting underscores the historical camaraderie between Zimbabwe and Cuba, rooted in shared ideological principles." In their discussion, Kandishaya emphasized the importance of youth involvement in strengthening bilateral relations. He stated, "We had brief discussions on the role of young persons in strengthening existing relations between our two countries. The focus on young reflects a broader strategy to engage the next generation in diplomatic efforts. Cuba has long been a strategic ally for Zimbabwe, especially the ZANU-PF regime." Kandishaya's visit appears to reaffirm this alliance as he highlighted, "Let it be known that our relations are based on the principles of ideology." As Zimbabwe navigates its political landscape, the diplomatic efforts in Cuba could prove pivotal for Mnangagwa, reinforcing ties that have historically supported his government amid international scrutiny. Thomas Warubda pana vazhinji aiwa Kandishaya anotumwa kuti aiwa anoboosta relations pakati peZimbabwe neCuba kuti akupuwa support patikuona kuti aiwa the regime iri kusangana ne-tough time panguva ino yatikuona kuti now the succession ne-economic crisis aiwa dziri kuluma munyika yeZimbabwe. Tudze mafunguro enyu pendinoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pina comment section medu, subscribe or like.